Hi there everybody and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Peugeot 3008 2018 and I'm gonna be changing the air filter in it. Now this is the one I've got. It's a Motoquip one LVFA 1429. So that's the particular one I've got for this car. Just make sure you get the correct one for your car. Sometimes, depending on the year or whatnot, engine size, they can be slightly different. In this car, the air filter is sitting right at the back there, and so I will be just putting this to one side. And basically, I've already loosened these screws here. These are Torx. There are 3 Torx screws here, T25s. So basically they screw into there. I just undone them and then pull them up a little bit and just unscrew a little bit and then they stay up. I've then also used a flathead screwdriver to release this clamp here. So you just undo that clamp like so, and I am undone this clamp as well, like so. And at the same time, I've also, right at the back here, I've taken this pipe out. Just pulled it out of the hook here. There's a hook there where that's plugged in. So literally just pulled it out. And here, if you press on the sides as well, if you press on the bottom and the top like so, you can unplug this pipe. So press on the sides. And same goes for this pipe here. If you press it on the sides, you can unplug that. Because we just want to remove this box here a little bit. So once you undo this clamp, you can pull this hose out of there, and also you can pull it out of up there. Or you might not even have to, but it might make your life a little bit easier if we did take it out. Okay, now it's out. So we can lift this basically, and we can take this out to one side. There is a pipe connected there as well. We don't necessarily have to remove that entire thing, because this is where our filter is. And it appears to me that that filter is just as clean as that one. And this is a Bosch. That would be the make that I would prefer. So you can see the part number there, F026400-151. Having seen how clean that is, I don't think I'm gonna replace it. There is absolutely no point. That would be a waste of money. And if yours was extremely dirty, or you've done a lot of miles and whatnot, this car has only done 20,000 miles, by the way. You could look in there, and you could, if it's really dirty in there, give it a wipe, give it a hoover, just clean it a little bit, and then you are ready to fit the new filter. Okay, I was just giving that box in there a bit of a clean. We can fit our new filter, and you can see these bits here as well. They're going to hook, they're going to go into these hooks at the back. Sure it hooks in properly. right, and then you can put your screws back on, at least temporarily. So I'm just gonna secure one of them a little bit, and that's going to allow me to just fit this back in there, as well as that, and down here. So everything just literally pushes back into place. This hose goes in there, and it has to clip in as well, and into that hook. So make sure that sits flush with that and it doesn't come out. And then you can tighten the clamp. Same here, because I'm gonna need my two hands really to push this back in properly, but that's going in nicely as well. The bit there flush with that. And that's pretty much it really. Now it's just a matter of tightening the clamps and the screws. These screws are only going into plastic, so don't go mad about it. I'm using a tiny ratchet here, the size of my finger, a little bit bigger. They literally, once you reach the end of that screw, basically, that's it. No need to force it. If you force it, it's going to round the plastic and it will never secure again. So anyway, having said that, I'm gonna show you how you could look for this filter online and order if need be. So if you want to find the air filter for your Peugeot, you could just type Peugeot 3008 air filter. You could put the year to be specific. 2018 was the car I was working on, and then if we look for products, so you're gonna have many different ones, but you want to look for the one that looks like yours, basically, which would be something like this or like that. So that is one way of looking for the filter. The other way of looking for a filter would be to get the part number that you already had from your old filter. In this case it was a Bosch 026400151, and you're gonna have, so let me just get rid of that. Bosch. Okay, so that's the one there. That one, or this one, or not these ones here, but something like that one. Let's have a look at this one. That's on eBay. So that looks like the filter. You can compare the part number there, and that's how you can basically look for a filter for your car. That one says fits Citroen, Mini, Peugeot. So that's pretty much what we need here. That there is also the same filter, 4000151. But so that is there, that's £12 there, that's Amazon again. So that's how you can just look for your filters online. And so having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.